When you use Celonis, you are able to connect all your data from all your processes and improve your overall business process performance in a quite fast way. thyssenkrupp Rasselstein is the world's largest production site for producing packaging steel here in Andernach.
So one important KPI for our business is, of course, the delivery performance. And delivery performance is a result of our lead time and production planning.
If you work for such an historical company, then you have a lot of processes, not only on the technical side, of course, but also between departments and between systems.
We have over 300 systems, and it's not so easy to connect the data from these systems in one efficient process.
Before we had the Celonis solution, we spent a lot of time and consultation because regarding thyssenkrupp steel system, we are more or less blind. In average, we have 4 to 6 weeks that we wait for the primary material from our mother's company.
So every day counts to become a more efficient company and reduce our net working capital effects. As we started using Celonis, we were all pretty amazed about how fast we get transparency of all our processes.
In our connected supply chain, we connect our supplier, thyssenkrupp Steel Europe, with our production planning here in Andernach to the warehouse access for our customers.
We get much earlier information about our stocks, and it makes it easier for our production planning to plan what we need to produce at what time. This, in the end, reduces our inventories and has a positive impact on our net working capital.
We implemented Celonis in over 10 processes, and within these 10 processes we have over 50 use cases where we achieved more and more value for our customers.
There is a universe of options. You are much faster in your daily work because you have all the information in just one platform. You have customized dashboards that will answer your question within minutes.
All of our departments know Celonis and they want to be in. They want to be part of this journey to improve their performance, and we are quite happy about this situation because if you in your process want to become better, it's the perfect starting point.